Very good morning students. Welcome to Narayana live classes. Today we are going to discuss about the 23rd dated assignment for 9th class and our topic is lysosomes and mitochondria. This total assignment is for 10 marks and we are having 2 Romans. In first Roman, total 6 objectives are there. Each one carry 1 mark. In the second Roman, 2 short question and answers are there. Each one carry 2 marks. And coming to the first objective, the materials to be destroyed are transported to. So in the cell, any materials are there that to be destroyed, they are transported to which cell organelle? Lysosomes. So the answer is lysosomes. Option C. If anybody want to observe the mitochondria, what the reagent we are using? Janus green bee solution. So the answer is Janus green bee solution. Option B. The next one. If you compare the size of mitochondria, it is smaller than the nucleus by how many times? So, the size of the mitochondria is 150 times smaller than a nucleus. So, the answer is 150. Option B. Which cell organelle contain destructive or digestive enzymes? So that is lysosome. Lysosomes only contains the destructive enzymes. Answer lysosome. Option A. A mitochondria is made up of dash membrane walls. So if you observe the structure of mitochondria, it is made up of 2 layers. That means double membrane. Answer double. Option B. And the last bit, if you observe a structure of mitochondria, the space between the cristae, it is filled with a fluid called matrix. So answer is matrix. Option C. And moving to the question and answers. So why the lysosomes are called as suicidal bags of the cell? So a name given to lysosomes is suicidal bags of the cell. Why it is called as? Because the lysosomes contain the destructive enzymes. So destructive enzymes means they have the capacity to destruct, to break down, to eat up all, to digest all the substances. In some situation, any toxic or harmful substance enter into the cell, immediately these lysosomes will burst and the destructive enzymes will be released and they eat up all the components of the cell. Because of this reason, the lysosomes are called as suicidal bags of the cell. Note down. Lysosomes consist of or contains destructive enzymes. Sometimes these lysosomes will burst. When they will burst, any toxic, dangerous or harmful substances enter into the cell at that time. The lysosomes and releases these enzymes out. they digest all the cell components. Because of this reason, hence these are called suicidal bags of the cell. And the last question, eighth question. Mitochondria are called powerhouses of the cell. Why? So the mitochondria are treated as the powerhouses of the cell. Why? Because the important cellular respiration process takes place in the mitochondria. So cellular respiration means in this process the food is oxidized to release the energy. So this important release energy process takes place in the mitochondria, and the energy is stored in the mitochondria in the form of ATP. So for this reason, the mitochondria are called as powerhouses of the cell. Mitochondria are involved in the cellular respiration process. In which energy is derived for the survival of the cell. Hence, the mitochondria are called as powerhouses of the cell. So this is the key. All the best, students.